All right. So before we go into our PDRA lessons, I wanted to first of all show you guys this platform, which is Exness. I believe you guys know about it already. So one way you can use Exness, because when it comes to TradingView, most of brokers that we use are not connected on TradingView, right? So which means if you want a platform where you can analyze your chart just like you analyze on TradingView, and then you execute trades directly, like for example here, if you wanted to maybe purchase buy gold from this other block, you don't just need to put this long icon and then you go to your phone now to try to enter that. If you wanted to maybe enter directly, it would be difficult because with TradingView, most brokers are not linked to this TradingView, most of them, right? Especially like Exness, which most of you use, even 10 Trade, as most of you use, all right? But now, if you want that, you can go directly to 10 Trade, to Exness. Exness has, when you go to their website, you have you have this, all right? You have the trading terminal. You have the trading terminal. This is it. You have the trading terminal. On the trading terminal, once you click on this trading terminal, it takes you directly to uh, this particular platform here. With this one now, you can also replay. So it's a double advantage for those who don't have a replay mode, right? For those who don't have maybe a paid version of TradingView, you can actually get once you get into the terminal here, you can use it to replay, and so that this is where you have the replay buttons. You can click. You actually see that it's exactly just like it's just exactly like TradingView, right? It's just the same like TradingView. You can backtest even right down to the 1 minute time frame, because I think with TradingView, if you have just the essential version, you have limited candles to be able to backtest. But with Exness, with this Exness platform, you can actually backtest right down to the 1 minute time frame. You even have some custom time frames that you can use and all that. Also, you have all the indicators tab just exactly as it is on TradingView, and plus you can also add so many indicators, unlike TradingView, where if you have, maybe you don't have a paid version, you will not need to add more than 3, but this one you can add as many indicators as you want to add on your chart. All right, so that's just the advantage that comes with this one. And also you can trade directly from here. All right, you can trade directly from here. Let's say, for example, we have this is GBP USD. All right, let's say, for example, you mark out your other block. Let's say, for example, let me go to a little bit higher time frame. Now, let's say that you open up your 1 hour chart, right? This is your 1 hour chart, and then you want to enter a trade based off of this this bearish order block here. Now, you can sell directly on this platform, because as you can see right here, I've blown my balance. All right, this is where if you deposit now to your TradingView or to your Exness account, then you're going to have this is going to be your account here. All right, now this is your account. You can trade directly from here without going to your phone, and maybe on your phone you can just use to monitor. But if you're on your trading decks, you can just execute your trade here. No need to maybe go to your phone before executing. And also you have the long and the short, all the indicators that you have on TradingView. So it is exactly the same, but the advantage here is that you can trade directly from here. If I wanted to trade this particular asset, all I will need to do is click a sell. If at all price was at a good spot here for me to enter, or if at all price was still here, all you have to do is take your sell, you adjust your lot size, and once you take your trade, you adjust the TP and the SL, and that's it. All right, so the advantage here is that you can backtest, all right, and it has the same platform just like TradingView. You have all the indicators that you want, and the added advantage is that you can replay charts, and then you can trade directly from here. So which means you don't necessarily need to copy this or to do something like this, and then you go to your phone, you are monitoring on your phone. So long as you put it here, you'll be able to monitor whatever is going on directly from here. Okay. directly on your screen. So no need to maybe be on your phone and be on the laptop again and stuff like that. So you can just monitor your trade here, you adjust your stop loss and TP, you monitor your PNL, you close partials, all on this platform. Now, this is mostly important for those who don't have the brokers that TradingView offer, right? Like you if I open paper trading, yeah, I'll be able to do that. I'll be able to practice. That's like a demo account on TradingView. But most of these brokers, like this Capital, Easy Market, Think Market, and all these brokers, if you don't have maybe if you don't have an account with these brokers, you will not be able to trade directly on TradingView. Okay, so that's just the advantage I wanted to share with you guys today. And now, let's get to our topic, PD arrays. In our previous lesson, we talked about the concept of support and resistance, and we also said that PD arrays are also in the form of support and resistance, right? So today, I want us to start talking about, let me just put it down. Today, I want us to start talking about order blocks.